Hello friends, welcome to Math Time with Mrs. Idas. Today is going to be a nice review day. Let's sing our song to get started. We'll do 16-4 in our math workbook quickly, and then we'll take a look at a sorting game in our Math Time with Mrs. Idas pack. Let's go ahead and start by singing our song. 3D shapes are fat, not flat. A cone is like a party hat. A sphere is like a bouncy ball. A prism is a building tall. A cylinder is a can of pop. A cube is like the dice you drop. 3D shapes are here and there. 3D shapes are everywhere. Great job, friends. All right. So today in 16-4, we're going to go ahead and take a look at how we could build with solid figures. So let's take a look at star number 1. Here we see a cube. Which of these shapes could I stack on top of my cube? Could I stack a sphere on top of a cube? Oh, it would be very difficult. So no, not so much. Could I stack a cube on top of a cube? Yes, I can. So we'll circle that. Can I stack a cone on the cube? Yes, I can. So let's circle that too. Great job. All right, let's take a look at the cone. Now, what are some shapes I can stack my cone on? Could I stack a cone on a cone? Let's try. Oh, no, we cannot stack on the vertex. So, no, we cannot put a cone on top of another cone. Out. Could I stack a cone on top of a cube? Yes. Yes, I could. How about a cone on top of a cylinder? Yep, we can because they have flat faces to stack on. Great job. All right, friends, what could stack on top of a cylinder? Could a cube stack on top of a cylinder? Do they have flat faces? Yes, a cube can stack on top of a cylinder. Can a sphere stack on top of the cylinder? Oh, it keeps rolling. No flat faces on the sphere. Could a cylinder stack on top of another cylinder? Yes, it can because they have flat faces. Good job. All right. Now, I want to stack a cube on top of some shapes. Could I stack my cube on top of the cylinder? What do you think? Yes, why is that? That's right, because they have flat faces. Could I stack my cube on top of the cone? What do you think? No? That's right. We can't stack something on top of a vertex. That's very difficult. Crisscross. Could I stack a cube on top of a sphere? Oh no. Why not? That's right, because the sphere does not have any flat faces. But let's think about something, friends. This one here has me wondering if I can stack a cone on top of a cone. Technically, if I turn the face upside down and I hold the cone, I could stack the flat sides together. So let's give a bonus circle because we have to be holding that. Now, it cannot stack on the vertex, but it could on the two flat faces. Now, let's talk about the cube and the cone. I know the cube cannot stack on the vertex, but if I turn the cone around and I get this flat face, then I can stack it. So these were really tricky, weren't they? Let's give them a little bonus circle that reminds us if we hold the cone upside down, then it could work. All right, good job. Turn the page. 16-4. All right, building with solid figures. We're going to circle the shapes that could be made with two solid figures if we put them together. So if I have a cube and a cylinder, would the stack look like this? No, that's a cube and a cone. Nope. Would the stack look like this? Is this a cube and a cylinder? Yes. Would the stack look like this? No, that's a cylinder and a cylinder. All right, let's see. A cylinder and a cone. Which figure would look like the cylinder and the cone stacking? Is it 1, 2, or 3? It's 3. Good job. All right, if I had a cone and a cube, which figure could be made with a cone and a cube? 1, 2, or 3? 1, that's right. And if I have two cylinders of different sizes, which figure would it make if I stack them together? 1, 2, or 3? 1. Great job, friends. Excellent. All right, let's put our book to the side and let's get our Math Time with Mrs. Ida's pack. Go ahead and write your name at the bottom. Good job, so you know it's yours. And when you're done with that, let's go ahead and open the page. So here is a page that we have, and it is for our shape, sort, cut, and paste. So we need our scissors and our glue sticks today. Go ahead and get your scissors and your glue stick. All right? What we need to do is we need to separate this page out of our pack because we're going to glue the pieces here on the sorting sheet. So what you can do is hold the page and then carefully just trim it off or pull it out of your fun pack. Okay? There we go. Now we have the sorting sheet and you have the shape, sort, cut, and paste. So let's go ahead and cut the shapes out and sort them. So we're going to cut on the outside line first, all around the shape cards. Remember, a thumbs up cut. Open, shut them, follow the line. Around and around and around. Perfect. Okay. Put your scrap away. You can recycle it later. Then we're going to cut up the lines. Excellent. And then we'll cut the pieces apart so we can sort. Looks like there are 12 things to sort. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Great job, friends. Okay, let's put our shapes into a pile like I have here, and let's take a look at them one at a time and get ready to glue, okay? So, in this column, I'm going to look for shapes that are just like the sphere. In this column, I'm going to look for shapes that are just like the cube. In this column, I'm looking for shapes that are cylinders. And in this column, I'm looking for shapes that are cones. All right, friends? So let's go ahead and take a look at this first shape. Is this a sphere, a cube, a cylinder, or a cone? A sphere. That's right. It's nice and round. Let's glue it in the sphere column. Okay, what is this shape? A cube. That's right. It has a square face and it has vertices, which are the points, and straight edges. I'm going to look for another 3D shape. That's the cylinder. Can you find your cylinder somewhere in your pile? Can you find, it looks like it has 2 ovals and 2 lines? There's the cylinder. Great job. And the cone looks just like this, 2 diagonals and an oval. The cone. Fantastic. Good job, friends. Now let's find pictures of real objects that can sort through. All right, I have a can of peas. Where would I put this? Sphere, cube, cylinder, or cone? Cylinder. Great. Put a little glue on the back and glue it in the column. Look at the die. Where would I put this? Sphere, cube, cylinder, or cone? It's a cube. Great job. All right, glue it there. Oh, a basketball. Where would I glue the basketball? A sphere, a cube, a cylinder, or a cone? A sphere. That's right. Wow. Oh my goodness, I have a party hat. Where would I put the party hat? Sphere, cube, cylinder, or cone? It's a cone shape. That's right. All right, glue it right there. Ooh, how about this cup? Is it like a sphere? Is it like a cube? Is it more like a cylinder or a cone? Ah, yes, it's more like a cylinder. Ta-da! Now I have a gift. Is my gift box more like a sphere, a cube, a cylinder, or a cone? It's like a cube. That's right. Okay. Ooh, a balloon. A round floating balloon. Is that more like a sphere, a cube, a cylinder, or a cone? It's like a sphere. A floating sphere. Woo. And last but not least, the ice cream cone. That's right, it has cone in its name. That was a good one to sort. Great job, friends. Thank you for helping me review our 3D shapes today. You've done such an amazing job this week. Don't forget to have some fun with shapes. If you have some blocks at home you can make stacks with or roll, you can always enjoy discovering the different attributes of your 3D shapes. You can still do some fun shape hunts and enjoy 3D shapes. See you next time. Bye now.